Today I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this DREO Turbo Mist fan. This is the 516. I absolutely love this thing. I bought this on Amazon. I'm going to tell you what I like about it, everything you'd want to know, and 2 things you need to know before you even consider purchasing this. Before we get into that, let's kind of run down some of the features. So I'm even going to put a ribbon on it and show you all the different speeds. So this thing is super powerful. I'm going to kind of go with this right over here because I don't want to miss anything. So you'll see right over here, these are the different options. So you got the power button on and off, which I'll show you. You got the turbo mode, that is awesome. We got oscillation, we have fan speed, we have mist level, and we have auto humidity. Now you can mist with this fan as well. You get this remote right over here. Really cool. So it's going to go up to 6 different speeds. It goes from 1 to 6 right over here. And to do that, we can control it with this button right over here. So you'll see this is the speed. Let me put the ribbon on it so you can get some idea. So this is on speed 1 right over here. So we're just going to put this right over top right over here. So you kind of see that's how it's going on speed 1. We're going to go to speed 2 right over here. You can see that. It also has the mist mode on, which you can kind of see right here. I'll show you how the water tank looks in a second. You can kind of see it's misting a little bit, which is really nice. This is going to go to 3, 4, 5, really going here. This goes up to 26 feet out it could reach, and this is going to be 6 right over here. So it's really moving at that 6. Now you can see you could do set different humidifier kind of settings right over there. So you could see right over here exactly what you want to do. And you'll notice this is a different color right down here. So that is a humidity indicator. So you'll see right over here, it's blue. So 71%. And that's saying this is 65. So that's why it is green right now. And then it would be orange if the humidity was 30% lower. Now, this also oscillates as well, which is a really nice feature. So you go all the way this way, you can see it go all the way that way, and then it could also go up and down as well, which is a nice feature. So you could just adjust this yourself if you wanted to bring that up or down, and you could bring that down if you wanted to. If you wanted to shut the oscillation off, no problem. And you can keep it in any spot you want. So if you want it over here, no problem. We're gonna let it go back. So now we have a turbo mode over here. We have the natural mode. Let's see. You can see it's at 90 right over there. So it's only gonna rotate 90. You can do 120, 150, or 0. So you have all different sorts of settings right over here. On the back right over here, we do have a handle right over here, so you could easily pick this up, move it around. It's not heavy at all. I think it's less than 5 pounds. In terms of how big it is, we got from the desk to the top here about, let's call it 17 inches on the max right over there. Now, this, for the water, it could hold up to 1.3 liters. This cannot come out. So that is one of the things you need to know about this right off the bat. This will not come off if this fan is on. So to turn it off, I'll show you the up close to touch over here as well. You're just gonna take this and then you're gonna slide this back out. There is water down here, so just note that. You'll see there's water down in this basin right over here because the fan is working and it's on the mist setting. So when you fill up the tank, what happens is the water goes in, you're gonna hear boop, 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 boop. It's like filling up the bottom of the fan, which allows it to do the mist. So just note that if this is filled and you try to take it out, there will be water in there. So if you're using the lowest speed, level 1, the water will last about 12 hours. If you are using it at the highest speed, it's going to last about 4 hours. So just kind of note that. And no big deal if you want to just like take it out. You could just get a paper towel or whatever. Now, a little close-up look. The remote is the best way to do it, but you could also do it. You'll see there's kind of that mist. That's a better look at it. So you can control it from right over here. This is going to be your fan speed right over here. So that's how you're going to adjust that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which we already covered. And then you could do the humidity settings right over here and base it on that. And you could also do that down here. This is how we're going to get the fan to rotate right over here. Go side to side right over there. So this is the fan doing everything. The mist, moving side to side, and on the highest speed. So it gets a lot of speed. It gives a lot of power for sure for its size, in my opinion. And I just really like the fact that this is a tabletop fan as well. And you'll see here the display will go away. So you don't have to worry about if you're sleeping and have it on a nightstand or whatever you want to do. Turn that off one second. You don't have to worry about that. So, and if you just wanted to come back around, no problem. You'll see here, it's going to go all the way around. So it has a huge range as well. And you could set that. If you don't want it to go all the way around, you could just do 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 120, whatever you want to do, or 0. And then it will just stay wherever it is. Really, really like this thing. Like the fact that the light indicates where you're at. Again, you get a nice little quick start guide right over here. The remote comes with the batteries already in there. So if you're looking for a great misting fan that's easy to use, easy to set up, literally comes out the box ready to go. You'll absolutely love this thing. I know we do. And the last thing you need to know, no essential oils go in here, just water alone. So just note that when you're doing this. I hope you found this helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And I hope this fan keeps you nice and cool because it keeps us super cool and I absolutely love it.